In front of me is Oppo A80 and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Then all services, Autofill, Autofill with Google and Google Password Manager. Now tap on any password that you wish to edit. Enter your login method and choose Edit button. After making your changes, just tap on Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!